used by the Polynesians as they came over discovered Hawaii. Remember on the video we talked about it, and it took 400 years, and they followed the migratory birds. So I just wanted to point out to you, this is the vessel that they used. And as you can see, it's not very large. But it is considered sacred, and if you notice the word on the sign, kapoo, it's the same thing as taboo. So it's bad luck to touch it or for your shadow to fall upon this vessel. So that's why it's in shade, and that's why I'm not touching it, although I'd like to. Aloha!